months now.
Oh.
So. But you are in lovely Barbados.
We are traveling.
I love it.
You're starting out to work out again, and it's like your ligaments are just kind of like, what's going on?
It was definitely like I've had that feeling before when it. So it says that you have disabled screen sharing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, you cleaned up your screen.
No, this is my laptop.
Oh, okay.
It is in shadow. So.
Okay. I'm loving this tutorial. I can't express to you how much I'm enjoying it, because even from the one lesson, it's like it's changed something.
If it's toy, I can add a bit more.
Here, I'm gonna pause it for a second because I'm actually doing the apple.
Yeah, I'm doing the apple too. And I'm really wet. The apples. I'm really wet.
Are you?
No. The apples really.
The apples are wet.
Yeah, and I feel like I hate this. I can't wait till the sketchbook is finished. Oh my god. The joy I will feel. I only have like 4 or 5 pages left, maybe. I just don't want to waste, waste it. I'm trying that apple.
Lesson, we will learn something about my very, very favorite technique, watercolor. And in general, I would say watercolor, you can divide the whole technique in 2 parts. This is a layer, and all the light came from here. This means this on the top, here. This on it with the same color become darker. You see, I don't have to fulfill the whole picture with color. I just can add a bit one. Let me show you. For example, here in these areas.
Oh, I got to stop being so frustrated with myself. I think I have too much white on my face.